Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to rename the user folder in Windows 11. Open File Explorer. C Drive, User Folder. Rename user folder. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand WinNT. Click and expand current version, click and expand profile list. Select user folder name. Change the folder name. Type Computer Management in Windows search bar, click Computer Management. Click and expand local users and groups, click Users. Rename username. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.